ಅವಳ ಕಟ್ನೋ ಅಂದಾಳ ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ನೋ ಅಂದೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಕಿಟ್ಟ
ಅದು 500 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 250 ತಾನೆ ಅದು.
ಅವಳ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಅವಳದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ.
A month ago, the sewage pipeline leading from our house to the road developed a leak at the point of the tertiary drain. Since then, I've been trying to fix it and it's still not fixed. Right from the day that I called the BWSSB, it's been about 18 days and I must have met about 20 to 25 people in two government departments, the BBMP and the BWSSB, starting right from the linemen to the engineers, to the chief engineers, to the plumbers. My first point of contact was the BWSSB helpline when I complained about this issue. I was told the engineer would come the next day. However, no engineer came, but his lineman did after 3 days, and they informed me that the sewage pipe had to be replaced. Upon contacting the engineer, he told that I would have to obtain a road cutting permit, for which my second point of contact was now the BBMP. Of course, getting the BBMP engineer's phone number was an issue. I had to call up the control room. But when I did, he told me to go to his work inspector. Work inspector instructed me to get a few documents that proved, ownership of your house, etc. It took me 3 days to furnish them because I had to go to the Citizen Service Center to get a copy of my Khata extract, etc. And when I went to the AWE, who now was my fourth point of contact throughout this thing, he told me that the documents weren't enough, that I had to furnish 3 more documents. Getting them took me 4 more days. This entire process of the 10-day ordeal could have been cut down for me by 3 days had I agreed to pay a bribe to each of these people. Every point was a point of where it created a possibility of paying a bribe to someone and easing my life. But I refused to pay a bribe. And my work is still not done. The sewage is still flowing outside. This put me at the mercy of the government officials. I had to go up and down so many times between different government offices. This caused unnecessary delays, and the neighbors started putting pressure on us because the whole place was stinking up. They actually got a plumber and gave us a threat that they would block the sewage pipe, and we ended up paying for the patchwork. Of course, the patchwork is just a patchwork. We still have to get the sewage pipe replaced. The BWSSB still hasn't issued a work order. Instead, the engineer offered to send his plumber to replace the sanitary pipeline. And the BBMT, when they finally gave us a bill for the road cutting permit, it was to the tune of 4,700. For what? For a U-shaped drain? No, I'm sorry. I did my research and it actually cost 750. Thank God I did my homework.